I'll use SuiteWorld as an example this year. So again, we're an integration platform, so we integrate with lots of different applications. We can't be an expert in every single one or know every little challenge, but our partners are really close with our joint clients and they know. So what we did this year is at SuiteWorld, we get a booth. It's kind of like a kiosk style where you get to do like the branding, but you don't have to bring in your own booth elements, which is kind of nice logistically, right? But what we did was we did have a couple monitors and we knew we were going to do demos. So this year I proposed, hey, we're focusing on 5 key use cases. Let's bring in a partner that is an expert in each of those use cases and do a planned demo at that time. So part of our promotion efforts were, hey, at noon on Tuesday, we're going to do a demo with Plative on XYZ use case. So I think it's really important to not only like elevate your partners, bring them into the fray, show that you're kind of aligned on that joint value proposition, but you're also providing an even deeper connection with attendees at an event where if it's a sea of kiosks, how do you stand out? And it's getting harder and harder to stand out at those types of events. So it's really important to not only plan ahead, know your go-to-market message, but really do something different. And not that having a demo in the booth is all that different from what others are doing, but you know, some things I've done in the past is I'll bring in, depending on the rules, I will bring in like a karaoke machine. So I have a microphone. So when people hear someone speaking on a microphone, they're like, what's going on? They get that little FOMO of, I see a crowd gathering. What's happening? Are they giving out gold? What's happening over there? I need to be over there. So I think it's just finding little unique ways to bring people in the booth and keep them there.